Hey, it's Reese from TuneZilla. I'm going to show you how to use the multi-map switching on the MQB platform. Okay, so first step, turn the ignition on. Now you would have seen that the needle went straight to 4,000 RPM. So currently stored in the car is map 4 is selected, and you see the EPC light will flash 4 times as well. Now to change that, you're going to want to put your foot on the brake and then foot on the gas, hold it, and then you'll see that it'll go to map 1, which is 1,000 RPM, and then you're going to want to just take your foot off the gas and then you can just dab it to cycle through. So that's map 2, 2,000 RPM, dab it again, map 3, 3,000 RPM, and then dab it again. 4,000 RPM is map 4. So then to select that, just dab the brake and then you can start the car. Easy.